Guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Thursday, November the 6th, 9:27 or so. About 3 minutes to go until the New York Open. As you can see, we have 3 inside days here on the daily frame after a big down day that reversed back up again into bullish bodies on the close. Today, bearish bodies so far, bullish bodies just an hour ago, 45 minutes ago or so. So an interesting picture here today, indecisive, unclear, and perhaps a little resting after these big 2 days that we had here on Wednesday and Tuesday. This is my trading grid, guys, the daily, the 30, and the 1-minute chart over on the right-hand side. You can see the 30-minute time frame, guys, here, how we pushed up through London, right back into this area up here, rejecting back down or rounding back down, and now selling off fairly significantly here, guys. This is a 9 o'clock candle. This was the 8:30 candle with a 3-bar reversal dropping down, having pulled back up inside of this piece that was mostly overnight and some profit taking near the close or in power hour of New York yesterday. Big lockout rally yesterday for many traders, including myself. On the 1-minute chart, I wanted to show you this, guys. This is the Globex open range, 1-minute open range from 6 p.m. last evening, New York time. You can see where we respected that once, twice, 3 times, dropped down to the Asian open range, and then down into the London open range, and rallied through all 3 ranges on the London session after the first, couple of hours or so. And now we're hanging around the Asian open range and dropping down below. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys, on the NASDAQ, 40 points or so, about 41 points actually, and 4.25 on the S&P. A little bit free-fally here, guys, in the pre-market, looking decidedly weak coming in. We do have a turbo zone down below and a fairly significant naked body right there. These act as magnets very often. We also have a naked body up above, so that'll be a potential magnet as well. Inside day, bearish body, neutral cascade, but leaning bearish now, in line with the most recent vulnerability and weakness in this market. We have sliced through the Globex open range, the Asian open range, and the London open range. And you will notice that the New York open range kind of touches both. Dropping down to the 30-second chart here, guys. Fast market conditions, in my humble opinion. I'm going to delete these other open ranges now that you've seen where they are, just to keep things nice and clean. Very much aware of the weakness here, guys. Now I want to see if the North Americans are buying into that weakness or if they're going to buy it up instead. This roller coaster was created by the Asians. This rally was created by the Europeans. And this pre-market sell down also by the Europeans and some early players from the international arena, of course, including some Americans. This is an interesting level, guys, because it's the New York open range, but also right here is the London open range, if you remember. Kind of double open ranges here. You can see it here. This is the London open range right through to here, and this is where we're kind of hanging around right now. Just bringing out a marker here, guys. Not acting upon anything yet. Sell stop order, guys. Sell stop order right now. Change my mind immediately. I'll explain why. Sell stop order. Very aggressive entry here if we drop. Here we go. Yeah, we're about to break here, guys. And I'm in, guys. I'm in. Just got taken in by that little tail. And I'm hoping it's going to continue here instead of just whip me in and take me out. Getting bought up immediately there at the London open range, which was right here. Waiting for these sellers to come in right now, guys, and drive this thing down. Here we go. Short the NASDAQ. Bringing my marker out because this could be pretty quick. So really just leveraging off this pre-market weakness, guys. You can see that the Americans didn't come in here and aggressively buy it up yet. Still could happen, of course. No guarantees here, but it sure looks and feels like this weakness is about to continue in a fairly significant way, at least in the short term. This is just a guess, guys. I'm just tossing a coin based on experience, preponderance of the evidence over time, and so far those sellers are defending this area quite nicely. Obviously my preference is for a quick drive down through this turbo zone and naked body. Let me just show that to you again here on the 30-minute chart. There's the naked body right there, guys. No clothing on the back, no clothing up the front. This is called the body of the candle, the real body it's called, as opposed to the wick. This is a naked body. And target 1 has been hit, guys. And so the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved the stop to break even because we hit 1R. So why am I short here, guys? Well, we have an inside day with bearish body on all three sisters, as you saw here earlier, after trying to get higher here and fairly strongly, but then failing. In fact, failing in a pretty spectacular way coming into the pre-market. You see that there? That's a very significant move, really kind of foreshadowing what might be coming next. We get into the New York session. When we get into the New York, and instead of immediately buying up that aggressive move, we sold down even more, just a few minutes, and then a feeble attempt to rally. 9 still way down below the 21, 21 and 9 both dropping, failed to get even remotely close to the top of the open range, and then breaking down below into, or testing, or about to break into, a turbo zone, clean traffic, guys, with a naked body. So a big part of this for me, guys, is this attempt at rallying here in Asia, dropping down, double bottoming, strong attempt to rally here in London, and then failing miserably into that pre-market, and then coming into New York without even a hint of buying up. It's not like the Americans were sitting here waiting to say, what are you idiots doing selling this thing down? We're not going to stand for that. They stood for it. They actually helped it, and they helped it again, and they helped it again. Now, it would be perfectly acceptable for fresh buyers to come in here like they just did and buy this thing up, in which case we'll pull all the way back up again and start to rally from here. And as you can see, guys, we have pulled all the way back to my original entry. And so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. And pulling all the way back here, guys. So it looks like we're going to have a 1R win, a couple of charges, and a break even for the 2R move stop to break even at 1R. And there it is, guys. Well, that was pretty quick, wasn't it? It's only 9:49 a.m. Still time to go here. Maybe there'll be another trade. Who knows? Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon.